welcome back guys to another video. Today I'm gonna do my setup in this video. I'm just gonna show you guys what my setup is like. So right here I have my Harvey desk from Big W. It has a metal frame, let's say. It has a wooden desk, and it has two like storage boxes. In this one I have my paper and my power bank. In this one I have some paper and some tools for taking apart laptops and stuff. So this is basically my main laptop. I use this for recording my videos, editing my videos, playing games, and yeah, other stuff. I have my rock lamp right there, my two Logitech speakers, and my mouse. It's just a normal B mouse I got from Big W. So right there I have my like scissors and staple and stuff. I don't know why it's pink. My dad just got pink, so yeah. I'm gonna paint that black. So this laptop, it has AMD graphics, Radeon graphics, and it has an i5. It's clocked at 2.5 gigahertz, and so yeah, that's basically about it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys my setup that I use. So yeah, that's it. See ya.